But that alone but with that being said, that's that phrase. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick thing that's thrown to you because I'm about to work out. Not physically thrown, hopefully you don't take that the wrong way, but I'm about to work out at home because it's like mid-30s outside, and I was like, I'm not going to go out there and run my nature trail today because I have a big day planned tomorrow regarding the Air Force, and I'm already kind of feeling a little bit sluggish and under the weather, so I didn't want to put my body through that and have to have, you know, a full day of events planned tomorrow, even though I have the proper gear to like withstand the weather out there. Today's video is going to be my current supplement stack. I'm not sure the proper terminology of the word stack, but I consider this a stack because I kind of take all these products at the same time. So I'm just going to share with you what I'm taking and kind of why. If you're interested in seeing the things that I'm currently taking to kind of, you know, help me with my weight loss career and my fitness journey and to support the lifestyle that I choose to live, you can continue watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's cold, man. Put on a jacket. It's like 30 degrees in this house. Jesus. I'm zipping up my jacket for y'all. You like that? Once again, we're just going to be running through these things. So, let's start with pre-workouts. I'm currently rotating between two pre-workouts, and that is the 6-Star Nutrition. It's kind of from Muscle Tech, technically. But you know, it's 6-Star Nutrition, and this is their pre-workout explosion. And then Cellucor C4 Extreme pre-workout, and this is in sweet tea, this is in fruit punch. I must say that C4 was the first pre-workout that I ever started taking when I, you know, started to lose weight. So this is kind of like my baby, but I do kind of like this one more. It doesn't leave me as jittery as the C4 does, and it kind of tastes better. But that's my fault because this one is in sweet tea, and I do like the fruit punch one and the pineapple one a little bit better. Sweet tea is kind of like it has a mechanical taste to it, but by far I do like the 6-Star Nutrition much better. Yeah, those are the pre-workouts that I'm currently taking. For my post-workout, which everyone doesn't do this after the workout, some people do it before the workout, but I take my BCAA after the workout, and this is by MusclePharm. You probably saw this in the unboxing video as well. And this is in the concentration of 312, and what that means is it has 3 grams of leucine in it, 2 grams of valine, and 1 gram of isoleucine, and it is phenomenal. It tastes great by far. It tastes amazing, which is a really big thing. Also, it helped me get my run time down for the Air Force because at first I had calf problems, so my calves would like swell up and tighten up, and I wouldn't be able to run as long as I could have. But after taking BCAA, I noticed a dramatic difference, and now I can run forever. A lot of people take it before the workout. I just personally like to take it after workout because it gives my body enough time to absorb the branched-chained amino acids and you know, to replenish my muscles and help them set up for the next day of physical exertion. Next are these green tea extract pills. This was also in the unboxing video. These are a phenomenal fat burner. I've lost 10 pounds since the bodybuilding unboxing video, so if you don't believe me, just watch the difference between there, or you can call my recruiter. My recruiter will tell you that, like, I done dropped some weight. I was so surprised, but these are good. You take 2 a day. That's all I can really talk about. They're just pop them in and boom, let them do what they gotta do. They also help with appetite control and then give you a little boost of energy. Kind of on the same lines as that is the next product. Product is L-carnitine, and I have a lot of this left. This tastes like cough syrup, but hey, I guess you got to get past the taste of it. This actually is a really good fat burner as well, and I think a combination of L-carnitine and green tea extract is the reason why I've been able to drop so much weight in such a quick period of time, and you know, without starving myself. With that being said, yes, it does help you burn fat, but you also have to put in the work. You're not just going to be able to drink this and the fat just flies off of you, because it's a combination of your body and the product working together to help you burn that extra fat that may be a little bit difficult, like, you know, the stomach regions and places that fat will just kind of like lay dormant and be like, hey, what's up? It'll help you and, you know, help aid that process a little bit better for yourself. Body Fortress's whey protein. I will say that I have not been taking this as much as I should be taking it because I've been taking the BCAA and I felt like my body was just, you know, being satisfied off the branched-chain amino acids, whereas, you know, these, it's kind of carby and calorized, if that's a word, and I've been on a calorie deficient, whatever that word is. I've been on that diet for a while, so I haven't been taking my protein powder as much as I should have. But I still have it because it's awesome and it tastes good. And then next I have another 6-star nutrition product, and this is their instant smoothie protein powder, whatever. This doesn't taste the best, but once you add like ice and fruit, it can taste good. It's like when I have like a sweet tooth and I just want something kind of like fruity and don't want to go like get a smoothie from someplace, but it has protein in it, I guess. Next is Garcinia Cambogia. I'm sorry the lighting is so like artificial today because it's really gloomy and cold outside. This is good. I have this in the 60% HCA. My stepmom actually has 85% HCA and hers is super potent. It dries up her appetite. Like, she has to make sure that she actually eats. Same for me as well. It does help with the appetite suppressant and also helps with the carb blockage and breakdown of carbs before your body absorbs it. Tongue twister. But yeah, you've probably seen it on Dr. Oz, you've probably seen it on the internet. You know, if you just come out of the rock and, you know, watch TV, you probably saw it. But this is in powder form, so what I do is I just take the little scupula thing and I place the powder in the back of my tongue and I just drink water and just wash it down because I can't mix it in my water. It tastes like I'm drinking sand and it reminds me of being at the beach. And then it makes me realize that there's no beach within like 50 miles of me right now, and then I just get so sad. Last but not least are these colon cleanser pills. You know, it gets all that unnecessary waste out of you. That's all I can say about this product. This is the Walgreens version and these were $11. Yeah, it does what it says it does. That's all I can say about it. I mean, I don't know, it's colon cleanser. So guys, that is the extent of my workout supplement stack. Hopefully it amounts up to what you consider a stack. If not, I'm sorry, I can't change that. That's just what I'm currently taking right now. I'm gonna go do my indoor activities and I'm thawing out a piece of tilapia for my post-workout meal. Tilapia brown rice and maybe some California mixed vegetables, which has carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Comments, leave them down below. If you want to follow me, you can follow me at Mercy Parker, you know, if you just want to see what I'm doing. And also I have a Body Space account, and if you're into that type of thing, you can drop your names down below and I'll add you guys. So I want to see what you're doing in your fitness life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Air Force videos and more vlogs and everything. And I appreciate all of you guys very much. Bye. I'm not sure of the technology. Wow, technology. I'm not sure of the proper terminology of the word stack.